I run multiple online businesses. I work for multiple clients as a virtual assistant. I work for other clients as a website designer. I build my brand on YouTube and social media. I have coaching programs and online courses. And in this video, I'm going to take you behind the scene and show you my real monthly expenses, all the tools, all the software I pay for that help me work and make more money. See, I'm the kind of person that really don't like to pay for things unless I need to. So anything that you see in the list, anything that I am paying for, are things that I am sure paying for those things is very important. It is either going to help me make more money or it is going to help make my work more efficient. Anything that is not going to allow me to do one of those two things, I really don't pay for it. And anything that has a free account, that free version, and I know the free version is going to be enough, I don't really pay for it. And the first thing that I pay for, which is a must, is web hosting and domain names. I have my personal website that everyone knows, which is sadiqumar.com. And in order to have a website, a personal website like this, you have to have a web hosting account. And so web hosting is one of the things that I have been paying for years. I think I have been paying for web hosting since 2019. So even before I started freelancing, I started paying for web hosting. And that is one of the things I have been paying for monthly for a long time. And I have multiple websites. And since you can host multiple domain names on one web hosting account, so I have my 10 domain names hosted on my own web hosting account. And for the 10 domain names that I have, each domain name costs around, I think, $19. Yeah, each domain name I have costs around $19.8. And so per year, that is per year. So in total, in 1 year, I pay $198 for all my domain names. And then I pay for web hosting account. My web hosting in a year, 12 months, costs $250, which makes it $448 for my web hosting account and my domain names. And if you break it down, divide it by 12, monthly I pay $38. So every month I pay $38 for my web hosting account and all my domain names. And the next thing that I pay for monthly is Canva. Canva is another thing that I have a subscription for years. And Canva subscription is also something I pay for per year, not a monthly fee. So in total per year, every year I'm paying $32, just $32 per year, which breaks it down to $2.7 per month. And Canva is something I can't live without really, because without Canva, I'm going to have to use Photoshop. Photoshop is too difficult and too complicated and take too much time. So Canva is the easiest option and I had to pay for it. So I'm paying $2.7 per month in Canva. And the next thing I pay for is ChatGPT. We use ChatGPT every day. And because I use ChatGPT a lot to summarize things, to summarize meetings, to take a lot of things. So I just decided to start paying for ChatGPT. And I have been paying $20 per month on ChatGPT. I don't know if they have a yearly subscription. I forgot, but I'm just paying for every month $20. And the next thing I pay for is Google Drive. Google Drive is something I needed because I share files with clients all the time. I save important files. I collaborate with my own personal team on Google Drive. So I needed the extra storage. And I'm paying totally in a yearly subscription, I'm paying just $14 for the entire year. And if you divide it by 12, it comes down to $1.2 per month. So that is what I pay for in Google Drive. The next thing I pay for is Vimeo. Vimeo is a video, or is similar to Google Drive, but it has more options. Because my own personal website, I hosted my coaching program on my own personal website. So all the video lessons, I upload them to Vimeo and then embed them to my website. And that is why I needed the subscription. I pay $22 every month on Vimeo. And the next thing I pay for is CapCut. CapCut is where I edit my own videos, and even my editor, the one who edits my videos, use CapCut. So it is something I needed. And I pay $11 per month on CapCut. I don't know if they have a yearly subscription or not, but I'm just paying per month $11. So in terms of tools and software, these are all the tools I pay for. Web hosting, domain name, Canva, ChatGPT, Google Drive, Vimeo, and CapCut. And that in total, it comes down to $95 per month. This is my total subscriptions per month. But That is not including my assistants, the people who work for me. I have a thumbnail designer, content assistant, community manager, and YouTube video editor. And this is really the biggest expenses I have, and that is not included here. So I make this video to give you an idea of the tools that you are probably going to need if you work online. And most of the other tools that you are going to work with online, they have free account. And I use a lot of things every day, things like Trello, ClickUp. A lot of those things, you don't really need a subscription. Another thing I use for every day for a very long time is Clockify to track my time. I'm not paying for it. I am using Zoho to invoice my client. I am not paying for it. So really, most of the things you are going to work with, you don't have to really pay for them. The things that are going to help me make more money or make my work more efficient and save time, those are the only things that I really pay for. If you like this video, YouTube think you are going to like this one. Thank you for being here. I look forward to seeing you in the next one.